was like, this is amazing. I love it. It's fabulous, which it is quite fabulous. And I do really, really like it. Everyone, we are doing a halo eyeshadow today. Halos are really fun. They give like this pop of color right here. They work good for smaller eyes, any eyes you want to really pop and look larger. I really wouldn't recommend this for bulgy eyes if you got a little bit of a protruding lid, because the light focuses right here, which is going to really stand forward. So if you have that kind of eyeshadow, I would not recommend this pattern. We are going to go ahead and start with a just neutral tone up here. Get that base color going. And I decided I feel like doing green today. And so we're going to do a green and gold halo. I have not done a halo in a really long time, okay? It has been a really long time since I did a halo. It's not something that comes up really very often with my clients. I do bridal, so it tends to be a little more on the conservative side. So we are going to start with a little bit of a darker green and blend out those creases from my I'm leaving the pupil just with no product on it. So you can go in with a little bit of a lighter eye primer if you need to get color, because it works really good if you use like glitter, not glitter, but like loose pigments and shimmers and stuff. And you do it right over the pupil and it'll really pop. So you use loose pigments and stuff like that to get it to work. So I'm doing warm tone greens. So if you're expecting like teal greens and crazy greens, I hate to disappoint. I'm doing like army greens and moss greens and stuff. So I'm going to get my crease done. So I'm going to do my crease first, get that all blended out, and then I'll work more on my lid. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the deeper green and put that in here and contour my eye a little bit. Little bit of contour. A brighter green right in here, because I want to play with green. I'm going to bring in a little bit of concealer and put it right there in the center of my eye, because I want a touch of moisture to give this a proper halo. And remember, I have not done this eyeshadow pattern in a few years, so if I totally mess it up, you'll have to forgive me. So now I'm going to pick up a bright gold and I'm packing it right over that moisture. Boom, 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 boom. that is a halo. See, it's got the bright and it darkens out to the edges. And there you go. Till next time.